Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to connect Calendly with Zapier in 2025 so you can automate tasks like sending emails, updating spreadsheets, or adding contacts every time someone books with you. Head over to Zapier.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, just sign up for free. It only takes a minute. Click the Create Zap button under the Trigger app, type and select Calendly, then choose Invitee Created. This triggers your workflow every time someone books with you on Calendly. Now connect your Calendly account by logging in and granting access to Zapier. Once it's connected, continue to the next step. Next, set up what happens after a booking. You can add a row in Google Sheets, send confirmation through Gmail, or create a task in Notion. Let's say we choose Gmail. Select Send Email as the action, then sign into your Gmail and configure the message details. Click Test Trigger to confirm everything's working, then click Publish Zap and it's live. And that's it. Now, whenever someone books through Calendly, Zapier handles a follow-up for you, no manual work needed. Great for coaches, teams, and small business owners who want to save money and stay professional in 2025.